The 2018 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Come take a test drive today.